Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of concrete driveways and why Gastonia Concrete is your go-to expert for stunning installations right here in Gastonia, North Carolina. At Gastonia Concrete, we specialize in high-quality concrete services tailored to meet your needs. With over 20 years of experience, our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results for both residential and commercial projects. Why choose concrete? So, why choose concrete for your driveway? Concrete is durable, eco-friendly, and can last between 25 to 30 years with proper maintenance. It withstands heavy loads and is resistant to wear and tear, making it an ideal choice for any home. One of the best things about concrete is its versatility. At Gastonia Concrete, we offer a range of customization options, including stamped, stained, and decorative finishes. This means you can have a driveway that not only serves its purpose, but also enhances your home's curb appeal. Our installation process is straightforward. We begin with a consultation to understand your vision, followed by a detailed plan and a professional installation that ensures quality and durability. Plus, we provide free estimates to help you budget your project. Customer satisfaction. Don't just take our word for it. Our clients love the work we do. From widening driveways to creating beautiful patios, we pride ourselves on high customer satisfaction and a commitment to quality. Ready to transform your driveway? Contact Gastonia Concrete today for your free estimate and let us bring your vision to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on our services.